showing you how to make a quick and affordable DIY face shield. So we need scissors, a hole puncher, some elastic. The width should be about 1/8 of an inch thick, some plastic sheet protectors. We're using a comb binding kit for the plastic, and some vinyl foam to make it more comfortable.
So to make this, first you have to take your clear plastic sheet. You can also use the Ace-Stick projector sheet and cut holes 2 inches down from the top. Then you take your vinyl foam. It's going to be sticky on one side and not sticky on the other side, and it should be 5 inches long.
Since our foam has one side already pre-stuck sticky, then if you don't have that, you can use double-sided tape to fasten it onto the plastic sheet.
Then you want to put it on the sheet in the top, around in the middle. It doesn't have to be exact. After that, you take your elastic. It should be around 11 inches long, or the size of your cover, and you're going to thread it through, and you're going to triple knot it. So since you want to save elastic, you should stretch it and then tie it.
So we can make more masks and shields.
Okay, so now you're done. You have it all tied up and knotted.
You can also adjust the elastic to fit your head shape. So yeah, you can tighten it or loosen it. Thank you.
Yeah.